Hi, this is Miss B. Today I'm going to show you how to enter data into a table and then how to do some formatting to a table. When entering data, it's best to go across, and if you hit the tab key, it will go from one cell to the other. So if I hit the tab key after I type in what I want, it takes me to the very next cell so that I can type in the information. You do not want to hit the enter key, because if you hit the enter key, it will go down to the next line, but it will stay in that same cell. So the only time you would want to use the enter key would be if you were going to put two lines in one cell. The formatting that you do to a table is the exact same formatting that you would do to just a regular Word document. So any of the formatting things up here, you can do to a table. You could do it to this one individual cell by simply clicking in the cell, click the underline, click the italics, whatever you wanted to put on it. You can select a whole column by getting the black arrow at the top, select the column, and put that formatting on that particular column. Or you can select a row by clicking the white arrow outside the row and putting whatever formatting it is that you wanted on that particular row. You can also put the same formatting on the whole table. In order to do that, there's a little box at the left corner of your table that has double cross arrows in it. If you click on that, then you can take whatever formatting that you want and put it on that table. For example, if I wanted to put a shade on it, then I can put that shade on it. So you can do anything to the table, even borders and things like that you would do to a regular Word document. One of the other things that you could do to a table is, I want my headline or my title centered across my table. In order to do that, I have to merge these four cells. So if I click on the row to select it and just right click anywhere, I can see merge cells on the drop down menu. And then when I merge the cells, you can see all four cells became one. So if I want to center this, just like you would center any of the others, I would click in it and I would hit the center button. If I wanted to center any of these, I would click in that cell and I would hit the center button, and then it would center that item. Another thing I'd like to do this table, as you can see, some of the columns are really wide and they don't really need to be that wide. So I can make this table smaller, make each column smaller so that the items fit better. In order to do that, all I need to do is select the complete table, click anywhere, right click anywhere in the table, go to where it says auto fit and click on auto fit to contents. If I auto fit to contents, what it will do is it will take the longest or the biggest word or longest entry in each column, and it will make that my length for that column, my column width. Just like any item that you put into a document, a table has a contextual tab. So when you click on the table, you'll get a contextual tab that has two other tabs related to the table, the design tab and the layout tab. The layout tab you can use to customize your table, you can use it to delete your table, you can use it to auto fit your table, split or merge cells, and also to insert cells. The design tab has shading, borders. You can use a border painter on it, or you can put a table style on it. I'm going to put a table style on it, so I'm just going to click down and put the table style on it, and now my table looks a lot better. The last thing I want to show you is how to center the table horizontally. In order to center the table horizontally, you have to select the whole table. Selecting it does not mean dragging across the table. It means going to the box in the upper left corner, clicking on it, then in your Home tab, click Center, and then your table's centered horizontally. Thank you for your attention today. I hope this helps.